Hi everyone, this video I'm going to explain one of our sample bots. It's called ARGOS Site Survey 0701 2020. This is a very simple bot. There's not much to explain, to be honest. Only two steps: system specs and network speed. So by running this bot, it's going to collect the local system specifications, including CPU, memory, hard disk, these resources, as well as screen settings, accessibility to servers that we use, as well as collect a list of environmental variables. So that's actually step number one. This mcheck is doing all that. So for more information, please come to this question mark and you'll find out everything about this bot. Step number two, network speed. I'm collecting both downloading and uploading in terms of network speed, just like speed tests you run on your browser. And I'm creating two separate text files. So the first step, mcheck is going to create mcheck.txt, and the second file I'm creating is from the speed test. I'm creating speed test txt, both on my desktop. Right now, one thing I would like to explain is this mvar. This mvar plugin, I'm only using this to get a user profile environmental variable. In this case, this is going to give me the the drive name, which is C, and also my username. So it gives me everything before this backslash desktop, right? So by using this, what I'm trying to do is, of course, to make this bot a universal bot, meaning that you don't have to localize or calibrate before running this bot in any environment, right? So what you can do from here is you can actually, instead of opening these two files with run programs, you can actually put that to attachment to your email, bring in one of these email plugins, and then send it over to you, or maybe store that into your Google Drive. So that kind of a modification can be easily done. Okay, please use this bot before running your bot, or before creating or before developing your bot for any process automation. This is going to give you a very useful local resource information for your bot to run. Okay, thank you and enjoy. Bye.